The story of the poor man and the rich man. Once in a small village, there lived a poor man named Ramu and a rich man named Raj. Ramu struggled to make ends meet, working as a farmer. He worked hard every day but barely earned enough to feed his family. Despite his hardships, Ramu was always cheerful and helped others whenever he could. Raj, on the other hand, lived in a big house and had many luxuries. He owned a large business and was very wealthy. However, he was often unhappy and worried about losing his money. Raj rarely helped others and spent most of his time counting his riches. One day, a terrible storm hit the village, destroying Ramu's crops. He was devastated but remained hopeful. He went to Raj for help, thinking the rich man might lend him some money to start over. When Ramu explained his situation, Raj laughed and refused to help. "Why should I waste my money on you?" he said. Feeling sad, Ramu returned home. A few weeks later, Raj's business faced trouble. He lost a lot of money and his workers started to leave. Feeling lonely and desperate, he remembered how Ramu had always been kind and cheerful. Raj decided to visit Ramu to seek help. When he arrived at Ramu's home, he found the poor man planting new seeds. "How are you still working?" Raj asked, surprised. Ramu smiled and said, "I believe in starting over. With hard work and hope, things can get better." Inspired by Ramu's attitude, Raj asked if he could help with the planting. Together, they worked in the fields. As they spent time together, Raj learned the value of hard work and kindness. Over time, both men became friends. Ramu's crops grew back, and Raj found new ways to run his business. Raj realized that true happiness comes not from wealth, but from friendship and helping others. In the end, Ramu was happy and successful in his farming, while Raj learned to be generous and kind. They both found joy in their lives, teaching each other valuable lessons about what it means to be truly rich. Flow.